is the reality of having 6 sons. This is the reality. And I said I'm going to start coming here more often because we do have 2 daughters, which is Ari and Savi. This makes no sense. I see it, so I know they see it. And we have wipes, and instead of them wiping it, they'll leave it right here. Thank God I came in here with the bleach to do my bleach clean like I normally do. Ridiculous. 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 I'm about to make some hot water with some bleach and some pine salt and clean the whole toilet because this is ridiculous. So I said, since I'm about to clean their toilet, I might as well go and clean their sink as well. What I'm gonna do is wipe the toilet seat off. I can't believe this. That's the first thing I'm gonna do is wipe the whole toilet seat off. By towel, and then squeeze all the water out. See up the toilet, of course. And I know someone's gonna say, well, you need to have them in clean it. Blah, 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 blah. I have good daughters. They don't properly clean this? No. Girls are internal. No. No, 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 no. We want to clean this. I'm cleaning it back here. Every piece that I clean, I come back and dip it, the towel in the water. Clean the back of the toilet, of course, and the toilet handle as well. Lift up the toilet seat and clean right here, cause see that, like that's literally your. I gotta clean my toilet bowl.